This is a quick video about how to change the settings on your Skmei or Skmei wristwatch. This is a very simple watch, it only has 3 buttons, but it is a little bit confusing if you haven't set it up before. This is the model 2056, sometimes called the Air, but a lot of their watches are essentially the same. Okay, first of all, how to change the time. You're gonna get your mode button, this one's right here, press it 3 times, put you back in time, but now you see it's blinking. Now you use the light button, it's top left, to go where you want. You press the bottom right button, the alarm button, we'll call it, or whatever you want to call it, to go through. This button you have to push a little bit harder than you think. So sometimes people push it and they don't realize it's active or not. And it's just because you're not pushing it hard enough, or you're pushing with your finger and it feels like you're mashing it, but you're really not. So you might want to use your nail. So put this on the right time, then you press light to cycle through. You have your minutes, now you have your month, now your date, and now your day. It doesn't know the day based on the month and the date, unfortunately. Back on seconds, then you hit that and it's locked in. Okay, so now to change the alarm. For this one, you want to go into alarm mode. That's the second mode. Push this alarm button hard and you have your alarm, now your hourly chime, now both, now neither. So that's to turn the alarm on and off. That is the most common request, and you see alarm on off right here, but that only works in the alarm mode. To change the time of your alarm, press the light button, and now you can see it's at 5 p.m., 6 p.m., whatever. Press alarm again, push, and again, it wasn't pushing it hard enough. Put the time you want. If you were to cycle through it, it would go into AM, whatever. AM, PM is not a setting, you just cycle through. And now we have a 7:05 p.m. alarm, and the alarm is on. The alarm is off. I edited the alarm, it turned it on automatically. That's a nice little feature. Why would you be editing the alarm if you don't want the alarm on? Just a thoughtful feature. We will go ahead and turn it back off. Okay. Back in time mode. There's your stopwatch, but like the stopwatch is like, there's your stopwatch, but this is like, you turn the stopwatch on and off with this button, bottom right, and you clear it with the top left. That's all there is to it. There's no memory or anything like that. Start, stop, start, stop, reset. That's all there is to the stopwatch. The last thing is your 24-hour mode. So say you want this in your military time or European time, whatever, you're just pushing this button when you're in the normal time. It's not blinking, it's not editing the time, it's not in alarm mode, it's not in stopwatch mode, normal time mode. Just mash this button right here. It'll go from your 24-hour clock to your normal time. And that's all there is to it. So yeah, that is all you need to know about your Skmei Air 2056, whatever you want to call it. But that's really it. It's pretty simple, but it's not super clear. Technically, like everything is printed on the front, but honestly, until you've actually done it and experimented with it, it's pretty useless. The main thing you have to know is you need to push this button harder than you think. After that, you should be fine. Thanks for watching.